Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands channel, and today I would like to share with you one more stitch that can be used for hats, perfect stitch for hat, I'm sure, for blankets, pillowcases, sweaters, cardigans, and many other projects that you have in your mind. For this stitch, you need to cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 2, plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. The yarn that I am using is Debbie Bliss Aran yarn and 4 millimeters knitting needles. So if you would like to try this stitch, let's do it together. So slip the first stitch. It's a selvage stitch, we always slip it. Then purl 1 and slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front. And repeat. Purl 1, slip the next stitch with the yarn in front. Purl 1, slip. Purl 1, slip, holding yarn in front. Like this, repeat till the end. Purl 1, slip. Purl 1, slip. At the end, purl 1 and purl the last stitch, it's a selvage stitch. So this is the row number 1. Row number 2, again slip the first stitch. Now purl 1, knit 1, and again purl 1, knit 1. Here I purl through the back loop. Please, it's just a normal purl stitch, purl it as you know. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1 at the end, purl 1 and purl the last stitch. Okay. Row number 3, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end of this row. Sometimes I knit through the front loop, sometimes I knit through the back loop. It depends on how I grab the yarn in the previous row. Just knit stitches. And purl the last stitch, selvage stitch. And row number 4, the last row in this pattern, slip the first stitch and purl all stitches till the end of row. Purl, purl, purl. and purl the last stitch, the very last stitch. That's it, and that's what we have. Now you're going to repeat from the first row where you uh, hold the working yarn in front, and repeat all other rows. uh, I like this stitch so much, really. It's easy, stretchy, and at the same time it's dense and warm if you're going to use it for hats. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today, for watching this short video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a good day.